number 25. Green Limited issued 8,000 equity shares of 10. 8,000 equity share of rupees 10 is issued. 5 per share was called up. So 5 is called up, dear children. We need to do work only with 5 rupees. Payable 2 on application. 2 on application. 1 on allotment. 1 on allotment. 1 on first call. 1 on first call. And 1 on second call. 1 on second call. Is that clear, children? All the money was received with the following exception. A, who hold 250 shares. A, who hold 250 shares. What happened? Paid nothing after application. It means at least application is paid. But allotment, first call and second call not given. Is that clear to everyone? Then come with B. B, who hold 500 shares, paid nothing after allotment. 500 shares paid nothing after allotment means first call and second call is not given. Is that clear? Then come with C. C, who hold 1250 shares, 1250 shares. What happened? Paid nothing after first call. Means he has paid application allotment first call, but second call has not been paid. Is that clear? Prepare journal and balance sheet. Very simple. It means calls in arrears are there. We need to open calls in arrears. Yes or no, dear children? So let me start journal entries for it. Journal entries. Simply you need to prepare in this form. Then entries will be very simple for all of you. Okay. Don't pass entry directly from the question. You first maintain in this manner. Let's start. First entry for application money. Bank account debit to equity share application. How much? 8,000 into 2. 8 2 ja 16,000. Whole money is received. Being application money received. Application money received. Then what happened? Application money is transferred to share capital. Equity share application account debit to equity share capital. How much? 16,000 is transferred, and the narration will be being equity share application money transferred to equity share capital account. Don't forget to write narration also, dear children, in examination. Now allotment time comes. Okay. So equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital. How much money equity share, sorry, just a minute. I have written account. Equity share capital. How much amount is demanded? 1 rupees. 8,000 into 1. 8,000 rupees is demanded. Share allotment money due. Being share allotment money due. Now what happened? Is whole money received? Children, no. So the money which is received is recorded in bank account debit. The money which is not received is recorded in calls in arrears account debit to share allotment. To share allotment. So in allotment we are going to receive 8,000. How much is not received? You can see 250 shares has not paid allotment money, 1 rupees. So 250 rupees is not received. So how much is received? 7,750 rupees is received. Is that clear? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Calls. Let me stop it. Being share allotment money received. Okay, then first call money we demand, isn't it? So equity share first call account debit to equity share capital. How much money is required? 1 rupees is required. 8,000 into 1. 8,000 rupees is due for first call. Being first call money due. Being first call money due. Okay. Let's see how much is received. Bank account debit. The money which is received. The money which is not received. We open calls in arrears account debit to equity share first call. So how much money is to be received? 8,000 is to be received. How much money is not received? Come to the table. So during 500 and 250 means 750 shareholder has failed to prepay. Isn't it or not? 750 shares. So 750 rupees is not received. When 750 is not received, it means 7,250 is received. I hope it is clear to everyone. Yes, children? Being share first call money received. And then the last point comes that equity share second call account debit. We do not write final call. It is not final. Okay. Being equity share second call account debit to equity share capital. How much, dear children? Again 8,000 rupees is due for second call. Being second call money due. Let's see how much is received. Point number 8. Bank account debit. The money which is received is recorded here. The money which is not received is recorded in calls in arrears account. To equity share second call. So children, 8,000 rupees we are going to receive, but how much is not received? Come here once again. 250, 500 and 1250. All ABC has not paid. It means 2,000 rupees is not received, isn't it or not? So 2,000 rupees is not received. So what we do? 2,000 rupees we put in calls in arrears account. 8 minus 2, 6,000. Is that clear to everyone? Yes, dear children, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Being equity share second call money received, we can write in this manner that with an exception of 2,000 shares. Shareholders fund. Under shareholders funds, share capital. Share capital note number 1. And we need to write amount. Now how much amount will come? How can we calculate? Is there any issued? Okay. So directly I can show you in notes how to prepare notes to accounts. 1. Share capital. Children, authorized is not given in this question. Okay. Authorized is not given. Authorized share capital. Issued is given. Issued share capital. How much? 8,000. So 8,000 at the rate of rupees 10. 80,000 rupees. Isn't it? Now let us come to write subscribed share capital. Under subscribed share capital, there are two parts, but fully paid up will not come. Not fully paid up will come. Yes or no? Not fully paid up, because 5 rupees is paid called up value. So 8,000 at the rate of 5 called up. We use called up. 8 5 ja 40,000 is required, but we subtract calls in arrears. Children, tell me the value of calls in arrears. We
3,000.
have you totaled?
Yes, sir.
3,000. Okay. So 3,000, 40 minus 3, 37,000. So children, this 37,000 will come in share capital. Okay. And one more point we can complete here. This 37,000 will come in asset side also. Yes or no? Under current asset. So our balance sheet will be complete. Cash and cash equivalent. Note number 2, 37,000. In note number 2, what you will write? Cash at bank. Okay, dear children, I hope this question is clear to everyone.